Apple Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 5 Maths, I'm your teacher Disha. Here are your friends.
I'm Gopi.
I'm Abhi.
Today I'm going to teach you Chapter 3, Graduation Ceremony, Factors and Multiples. On the occasion of graduation ceremony, the dance teacher selected 12 girls and asked them to arrange themselves in a row while practicing. But the girls needed clarification. Whoopi and Appy, can you suggest how to stand?
They can all stand in one row.
No, they can stand 6 girls in 2 rows or 4 girls in 3 rows.
Does it show that we can divide 12 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12?
Yes, because these are all the factors of 12. Let's learn more about factors.
Factors. Abhi, do you know what a factor is?
No, Whoopi.
Bring 8 glasses and arrange them on a tray. I will explain.
I can arrange 8 glasses in 1 row or 4 glasses in 2 rows.
Good. It means 8 is the product of 1 and 8 and also of 2 and 4. That shows 1, 2, 4 and 8 are the factors of 8. A factor is a number that divides another number leaving no remainder. 8 को 1, 2, 4 या 8 से डिवाइड करने पर रिमाइंडर 0 मिलता है. इसका मतलब 1, 2, 4 और 8 ये सभी 8 के फैक्टर्स हैं.
Thank you, Whoopi. I understood it well.
Common factors. Appy, do you know every number is a factor of itself?
Yes, and 1 is the smallest factor of all the numbers.
Good. Let's see how to find the common factors of 10 and 20. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5 and 10 because they divide 10 without leaving any remainder. And the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 because they divide 20 without leaving any remainder. Thus the common factors of 10 and 20 are 1, 2, 5 and 10. Common factors are the numbers that will divide both 10 and 20 without any remainder. हम कह सकते हैं कॉमन फैक्टर वो नंबर है जिससे हम दिए हुए 2 से ज़्यादा नंबर्स को बिना किसी रिमाइंडर के डिवाइड कर सकते हैं.
Multiples. Welcome to the world of multiples. Example, let's find the multiples of 8 with Whoopi and Appy.
When we multiply 8 by 1, we get 8. When we multiply 8 by 2, we get 16. When 8 is multiplied by 3, we get 24 and we keep adding 8 as we multiply. The next multiple is 32, obtained by multiplying 8 by 4. The multiples of 8 keep growing with each step. 40, 48, 56 and so on. Hence, the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56 and so on. A multiple is the product that results from multiplying one number by another.
अच्छा, इसका मतलब मल्टीपल एक नंबर को दूसरे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने पर आने वाला प्रोडक्ट है.
Abby, can you tell me the first 8 multiples of 14?
Yes, multiples of 14 are 14, 28, 42, 56, 70, 84, 98 and 112.
Keep practicing and impress your friends with your maths skill. Prime and composite numbers. Let's explore the fundamental concepts of prime and composite numbers in the world of mathematics. Prime number. A prime number can be divided by 1 and the number itself. which means a prime number has only two factors. For example, 5 is divisible by 1 and 5. Examples of prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Composite number. A composite number is divided by all its factors, which means a composite number has more than two factors. For example, 24 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. Other examples are 4, 6, 8, 9, etc. बच्चों, याद रखो, प्राइम नंबर्स केवल एक से या खुद से डिविजिबल है, लेकिन कंपोजिट नंबर्स के दो या दो से ज्यादा फैक्टर्स होते हैं. Prime factorization. Let's dive into the amazing concept of prime factorization with Whoopi.
Prime factorization is the process of factoring a number into its factors. If all the factors are prime, this is called prime factorization. Let's learn the factor tree method to find the prime factorizations. Factor tree method. In this method, the starting factors can be different, but they always end up with the same prime factorization. Example, find the prime factors of 32. Step 1. Start with the smallest prime factor of 32. The number 32 splits into two branches, one with 2 and the other with 16. Step 2. Next, find the smallest prime factor of 16. Step 3. The branch with 16 splits into two branches, each with 2 and 8. At the end, split the number 8 into 2 and 4, and the number 4 into 2 and 2. Stop when you find all prime numbers and the last row has only the prime numbers. Thus, factors of 32 are 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2 multiplied 2. बच्चों, आपने देखा कि 32 को फैक्टराइज करने पर मिलने वाले नंबर्स 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 उसके प्राइम फैक्टर्स हैं. Highest common factor. Appy, there are 12 girls and 18 boys in my class. During the march past, how can they march in the same number of rows?
It is very easy to find the number of rows. You need to calculate the highest common factor of 12 and 18. Let's find the highest common factor of 12 and 18 using the prime factorization method. Let us begin with the number 12. We will break it down step by step. Start by dividing 12 by the smallest prime number, which is 2. The process begins. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. We get 6. Now let's continue factoring in 6. Again, divide it by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. We are left with 3. Now that 3 is already a prime number, we will write 1 below 3 as 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So the prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Moving on to number 18. Let's follow the same process. The process begins. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Let's continue by dividing the number 9, which is odd, by the next prime number 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. We have reached number 3, again a prime number. We will write 1 below 3 as 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So the prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now let's find the common factor of 12 and 18. These are the prime factors they share. The prime factorization of 12 is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3, and for 18 we have 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. The common factors of 12 and 18 are 2 and 3. When we multiply 2 and 3, we get 6. Therefore, The highest common factor HCF of 12 and 18 is 6.
Wow, it's fun!
Students, as we can understand from its name, the highest common factor is the greatest number that divides each of the two or more numbers without leaving any remainder. और हम कह सकते हैं कि HCF numbers का सबसे बड़ा common factor होता है. Lowest common multiple. The lowest common multiple LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest number that can be exactly divided by each of the given number. Let's discover the short division ladder method to find the LCM of 28 and 12. We begin by writing down the two numbers and drawing a ladder between them. We start by dividing 28 by the smallest prime number and continue the division till we get a prime number. When dividing 28 by the smallest prime number 2, the result is 14. Similarly, 12 by 2, the result is 6. Continue with the next step of dividing 14 by 2. The result is 7. Stop dividing because 7 is a prime number. Finally, we divide 6 by 2. The result is 3. Stop dividing because 3 is a prime number. The ladder shows the divisions we performed: 2, 2, 7 and 3. To find the LCM, we multiply these numbers together. 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. 28 3s are 84. Thus, the lowest or least common multiple of 28 and 12 is 84. मतलब LCM numbers का सबसे छोटा common multiple होता है. Students, in this chapter, you have learned about factors, common factors, multiples, prime and composite numbers, prime factorization, highest common factor, and lowest common multiple. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.